Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Gallegos. I'm a family medicine physician and I'm working for the Menifee office at Rancho Family Medical Group. So I started my college career at Allen Hancock College in Santa Maria, California. From there I transferred out to UC Irvine, go Anteaters. And from there I went to medical school way across the country at the University of Vermont, Larner College of Medicine. And from there, I went down south to Texas and I did my residency in San Antonio, Texas. But having gone all the way across the country, I'm excited to come back home to California and now with Rancho Family Medical Group. So, as a child, I unfortunately, at the age of 2 years old, was diagnosed with a tumor in my right ear. Now that tumor grew to the size of a baseball in a 2-year-old skull. You can imagine how large that is. And that had eaten through my middle ear bones and was resting on my brain. So that unfortunately required surgical removal. And I wish that was the end of the story, but even after it was removed, it continued to grow back multiple times. And so that led to me needing many surgeries throughout my childhood. So much so that by the age of 10, I had 10 surgeries under my belt. But thank God since then I've been doing well, and I had some amazing doctors that took care of me. And I saw my doctors kind of as superheroes, equivalent to Spider-Man. And so, of course, any child in that situation is going to look up to those people in their lives and say, I want to do that. So, even at a very young age, I knew when I grow up, I want to be a doctor. And so that childhood dream has pushed me, all throughout college and medical school. I've always kept my childhood experiences as a motivator. I feel that it gave me the perspective of a patient, which is really, really important. I think every great doctor should know what it feels like to be a patient, so that we can not only sympathize, but we can empathize with our patients. So that's what I try to practice as well in my clinic, is that I'll take into account, what is your experience as you're going through all of this? Is this overwhelming? I don't want to send people to too many specialists if it's unnecessary, or order too many tests if those are not necessary. So I always try to keep in mind, what is the patient experiencing as I'm practicing medicine? And I talk to them and I get to know their perspectives on things before I come up with the final plan. So that way they feel that they're involved throughout the process, and we really tailor our plans to what works best for you as a patient. I really like taking a lifestyle approach to my practice. And so ultimately lifestyle should be the foundation of our health. So lifestyle medicine, there are 6 pillars to it, and I love teaching this to my patients. The 6 pillars of lifestyle medicine. Diet and exercise are, in my opinion, the biggest ones. Sleep, stress reduction, having a sense of community around you or socialization, and then avoidance of risky substances like smoking and alcohol. When we look at lifestyle as medicine, we can actually treat such a wide variety of our conditions that we see in the clinic every day, from high blood pressure to diabetes, high cholesterol, anxiety, depression, obesity, just to name a few of the most common ones. All of those can benefit from lifestyle changes. So that's why I love focusing on that. And we are actually able to help patients cut back on some of their medications if possible by getting their lifestyle habits under control and seeing their numbers improved. And my patients have loved it when I've helped them cut back on such a long list of medications just by tweaking their lifestyle and doing it in small, sustainable changes that lead to large changes in the long run. So when I'm not in clinic, I first and foremost love spending time with my family. I mean, family is what it's all about, right? I've got an amazing wife at home and I've got 2 little girls, my 2 little princesses. That's part of why I wake up in the morning, sometimes literally. They jump on my bed and wake me up in the morning. But I love going out taking them out to parks, playgrounds, just doing different family activities around town. I'm new to the area, so if any patients have any family recommendations, I'd love to hear them. But yeah, good quality time with family is the number one thing. Aside from that, I love sports. I'm a big sports guy. I grew up playing soccer throughout most of my life. Did track in high school, pole vaulting and triple jump were my favorites. And I love all sports, just you name it and I play it. I love racquetball and spike ball and pickleball and frisbee golf, everything. Just getting outside and enjoying the fresh air, getting together with colleagues and friends, helping with that sense of community. I love all of that. So really it all encompasses everything, you know. In the clinic, you know, I try to make sure that I have a good balance of my in-clinic life and my out-of-clinic life, with exercise being a huge part of that. You know, I think since there are so many health benefits to exercise, I talked a lot about the pillars of lifestyle medicine, exercise being one of the 6 pillars. It helps with some of the others as well. It helps you with the social connections, with the stress reduction, with the sleep aspect of it. So with so many benefits of exercise, I really want to make sure that I practice what I preach. And so I love getting outside and hiking, you know, playing basketball with friends, pickleball, whatever I can to stay physically active is so important, just not only for wellness, but mental health and, you know, the whole picture. I mean, exercise is just one of my favorite things. I don't speak fluent Spanish yet. I am working on it. It's mostly Spanglish right now, but I'm able to understand most of the Spanish language and communicate with my patients in Spanish to the best of my ability, with the goal of eventually becoming fluent. That is something that I'm working on, and I will get there soon. And again, my name is Dr. Anthony Gallegos, working out of the Menifee office for Rancho Family Medical Group. I can't wait to partner with you with your health.